In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Figma. This is a really useful technique for creating interactive prototypes or designing elements that need to navigate users to external websites or other parts of your design. We'll walk through each step to ensure your images are not just static visuals, but dynamic, clickable components. First things first, let's start by setting up our canvas. You'll need to add a frame to your Figma file. A frame acts as a container for your design elements, like a dedicated artboard. You can easily do this by selecting the frame tool from the toolbar and drawing it onto your canvas, or choosing a preset frame size from the right-hand panel. Once you have your frame, the next step is to bring in the image you want to make clickable. You can simply drag and drop your image directly into this frame from your computer, or use the Place Image option from the File menu. Position it within your frame exactly where you want it to appear. Next, we need to add a text layer that will serve as our invisible link anchor. Select the Text tool from the toolbar and draw a text box directly over your image. Now, this is a crucial step. Make sure this text box is roughly the same size as your image, covering it completely. The content of the text doesn't actually matter for this technique, as we'll make it invisible later. You can type something simple like, "Click me," or just a single character. The main goal here is to create a layer that spans the entire area you want to be clickable. With your text layer in place and selected, it's time to add the actual link. Navigate to the Prototype tab in the right-hand sidebar. Under the Interactions section, click the plus icon to add a new interaction. You'll want to set the trigger to on-click or on-tap if you're working on mobile. For the action, choose Open URL. A field will then appear where you can paste the URL you want your image to link to. This could be a website, a specific page, or any valid web address. Simply paste your desired link there. Now for a subtle but important adjustment. To make the entire image appear clickable without the text itself being visible, we need to adjust the text layer's properties. In the Layers panel on the left, make sure your text layer is positioned above your image layer within the frame. Then, go back to the Design tab in the right sidebar. With the text layer selected, locate the Fill property and reduce its opacity to 0%. This makes the text completely transparent. Functionally, you've placed an invisible, clickable text box directly over your image, making the entire area interactive. Finally, let's test our work. To see your link in action, you'll need to enter Figma's prototype mode. Click the present icon, which looks like a play button, located in the top right corner of your Figma interface. This will open a new tab or window displaying your prototype. When you hover your mouse over the area where your image is, you should see the cursor change, indicating that it's clickable. Go ahead and click on your image, and it should navigate you to the URL you specified. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to add interactive links to images in Figma, enhancing your prototypes and designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more Figma tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.